it's me, Tina Marie, true meaning of radiance. Today's video is going to be my largest Bath & Body Works haul to date. The largest Bath & Body Works haul to date. Whew, y'all, I took advantage of spend 40, get 10 off. Then it switched to spend 25, get 20% off. And y'all, I took advantage of all that, okay? I got bags, honey. I got bags. This is collective bags, okay? And I have an online order coming in. The online order is actually going to be my finale haul for the semi-annual sale, because after that I will not be posting any more SAS videos. I know the people that don't like the Bath & Body Works videos will be happy, like, girl, finally it's coming to an end. But yeah, y'all, I had fun. This SAS was very fun, and I looked at everything that I spent total. I didn't spend more than $300, so that's pretty good. And it's going to get me through the summer, and then as we start to transition into fall, because my fall stuff I like to use a little bit more in the winter, because it doesn't really get cooler here until like November, so that's when it starts to get cooler here. But anyway, let's go ahead and get started. So the first item is the Midnight Pomegranate. Y'all, I got this for 75% off. Someone asked me before about Midnight Pomegranate. They were like, girl, is Midnight Pomegranate good? And I'm like, girl, yes. Midnight Pomegranate is one of my most favorite scents from Bath & Body Works. I absolutely love Midnight Pomegranate. I definitely do recommend it. I like to use this in the winter. This is my signature winter scent. I have the perfume in it. I got it at SAS last summer, and I swear by this. You need this. You need this in your life. It's the bomb, and it's perfect for winter in my opinion. The next thing I got, I'm gonna save these. I'm gonna save those. So let's go on. I got the Maui Mango Surf, 75% off, y'all. 75. Okay. I'm not almost done. I'm about this much done with the one that I bought at the beginning of the sale. And I absolutely love this scent. It is so good. I'm using it every day. This is going to be in my favorites, because this is my favorite scent for this month. I don't know what it is about the Maui Mango Surf and why I didn't try it out before and love it, but I absolutely love this one. So got that one. They were doing $5.50 men's body care, because it was around Father's Day time, and I took advantage of that sale for Justin, and I got him some items. I got him the Freshwater Men's Collection Deodorizing Body Spray. It looks just like this. Can my camera focus? Focus. There we go. So that's the Freshwater. It smells really good. He actually used one up, so it'll be in this month's empties. And I got him Graphite. And Graphite looks just like this. Zoom it in. There we go. And there is Graphite. So I got him Graphite as well. And that was not all I got for Justin. What else was at the 550 day? Because I want to try to keep it in order as much as I can. I got him also the Graphite Men's Collection Ultra Shea Body Cream. This smells so good. Like, Justin, I be having my son smelling right, y'all. The keynotes in this is sage, bergamot spice, and leatherwoods. So Justin is absolutely going to love this. So I know he cannot wait to use it. So we're going to just move right along. What should I show next? I'm trying not to show something, but I'm just going to go to it first. Forget it. My store, the outlet mall, they were doing $2 for some of the what are these? Soaps, hand soaps. So they have like a rack of $2 hand soaps on the $2 holla rack. $2 holla rack. So I took advantage of the $2 soaps, and I found two 75% off soaps. So let me just start with the 75% off soaps, and then we'll get into these $2 ones. But the 75% off soaps, they end up being like $1 and some change. I got two of the Black Cherry Merlot with coconut oil. They look just like this. Some stores, they're 50% off. My store, they did these 75% off. So that was really nice. I was happy to see it, and I was happy to grab it. Now on to the $2 soaps. So I got the New York City Gentle Foaming Hand Soap in Champagne Toast. Remember those design ones that everybody was going crazy for about a month ago? Crazy. They're now $2. So I have two of the New York ones. So no, one of the New York ones. Only got one. Okay, because I already have one. That's why I only bought one. So I got one of the New York ones. I got two of the Hawaii ones, so you guys can see it. Zoom in, camera. Yep, there we go. I got two of the Hawaii ones, and the Hawaii one is coconut colada. So these are going to be going to work because I'm not a big coconut person. I'm just not. I said that, then I smelled it. No, it's not too powering of coconut. Well, maybe one to go to work and I'll keep one. Okay. I got one of the California. This is Endless Weekend. This is staying home with me because I do like the Endless Weekend. Yeah, this is staying home with me, and it is super cute, the packaging, and it was only $2 as well. Looks just like that. And I got one of the Paris Rose Water and Ivy. This is going to work because I am not a Rose Water and Ivy fan. So this will be going to work. And it was only $2, which was good. And the last $2 one is the Cranberry Peach. Packaging is super cute. I really like the packaging on this one. So this one will probably go to work as well. But I do like the packaging. So that's all the $2 hand soaps. So, ooh, y'all, I can't wait till all these hand soaps go 75% off. I keep saying, ooh, maybe I should go back when they go 75% off. I might. I keep saying that the online haul is going to be the final haul, and then watch. I'm going to sit around and I'm going to go back. But if the certain soaps I want are 75% and the wallflowers, if those two things hit 75%, I will be back with the soap in-store haul, soap / wallflower. Let's get on to two items I got for 50% off. I told you I was going to go back for these. These are the Terra Mona, I think I said that right, the body oils, nourishing body oils. They look just like this. Oh my god, how pretty are they? And I'll use this one, as you guys can tell. I'm already using this one, but just ignore that. But yeah, I got those 50% off. And being Tina Marie, if I didn't get Beach Night, so I did get the Beach Night Summer Marshmallow body wash because I was out of the body wash completely. Yes, I used all my body washes up because I absolutely love it, and I love that it comes back every SAS. So I'm not going to be like, oh my god, I need to stock up on it. So I just got the one and done. So I'm good on that. I did get the Aqua Burst body wash in water, and it looks just like that, and I just got it to try it. Why not? Like, they have the sprays and stuff and all the stuff out for the line, and I don't know, this water line just doesn't do it for me like that. But why not just try the body wash, especially if you don't want to be heavily scented that day or you want something with no scent, then boom, you can use that. I did get two of the Black Raspberry Vanilla. Oh my lord, this shower gel smells amazing. This line smells amazing. I'm waiting for my online order so I get my second spray. This line is amazing. The Black Raspberry Vanilla, what is it? It says Black Raspberry Vanilla fragrance is an alluring scent inspired by vine berries drenched in vanilla cream, and that's the packaging of the lotion. Oh, I love the packaging of this lotion, and I love the packaging of the shower gel. The spray is the only packaging to me that looks weird. And I got the the 24-hour moisture cream, and I got the 24-hour moisture body lotion, because we all know the body lotions last longer than the creams. So I'm going to use this one first, and then I can use this when I get ready, because this does last longer. So yeah, I am Black Raspberry Vanilla up because y'all, oh my god, the line, absolutely love that line. So yeah, I got that. So that was this bag and this big bag here, but wait, there's more. This is the Summer Boardwalk candle. Looks just like that. Very pretty packaging. I cannot wait to burn it. This scent to me screams summer. This is when you know summer's in the building, is when you have Summer Boardwalk going. It is caramel glazed popcorn, warm taffy apple, salty sweet cream with essential oils. Now the salted I think it's salted caramel milkshake or something like that that just came out. It's close to it, but it's not exactly it because it doesn't have that buttery popcorn note. But this has that buttery popcorn note. And this just screams summer, and you know summer's popping when Summer Boardwalk comes out at Bath and Body Works. So that's always going to be a scent of a candle that I go for every summer. Now I have one more large bag. The store even ran out of the haul bag, so for the SAS, so they gave me this regular bag. That's when I kind of knew I'm about done. And I got all this stuff I'm about to show you right here, y'all. Let me get it out. I'm going to first start off with the candle. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and start off with the candle. This candle screams summertime to me as well. This is the only time I burn this candle is in the summer. Only time I burn this. This is lemon mint leaf. If you guys can see it, there it is. Lemon mint leaf. Love the packaging of the top. Very pretty. The whole packaging is really pretty, and it was only $10. Lemon mint leaf is another signature summer smell for me. It's sparkling lemon zest, spearmint leaves, verbena sprigs with essential oils. I mean, you can burn it anytime, but to me, lemon mint leaf is just so summer because it just screams summer to me in my house, because that's when I like to burn it, is in the summertime. So lemon mint leaf, definitely for the win. I did get some more of the new. I got the Portofino Pink Prosecco shower gels. Got them. My store held some for me, so I was able to pick them up. They were only $3.95. I have the rest of the line. It's actually going to be coming with my online order. I cannot wait to do that haul for you guys. But yes, I got 2 of the pink Proseccos, the Portofino Pink Prosecco. Say that 10 times fast. A lot of people were saying it's close to the poolside pop that came out a few years ago. And I can get where they're saying that. I really can get where they're saying that. Oh, but it's so good. So I was so happy to finally get the shower gel. That way I don't have to hunt anymore. I did get Justin some more stuff because they took some of the men's stuff to 75% off finally. So I got 2 of the white water rushes for Justin because he absolutely loves this too. So I picked up 2 of these. This is fresh white water, aromatic bergamot, white cedar. So I got those 2 for Justin, and I got him the matching lotion. When I tell you I take care of my baby, I take care of him, okay? And you already seen Grace shopping. Grace is ready, okay? Grace be in my collection spraying down. She know the deal, and Christian is going to be taking Justin's stuff, but I'm going to make sure Christian has his own mini collection too. So I try to make sure. I don't want my kids to love Bath and Body Works so much, but I want my kids to smell good. I want people to be like, wow, your kids are upkept. Yes, they are. Yes, they are. You know what I mean? And then I picked up another item for 75% off, the Tangelo Woods Body Cream. It's good when you first sniff. And it's good for a second when it's on, and then sometimes it gets overpowering because I used it twice already, and it looks just like this. And I didn't get it. Did I get it last sale in the body wash? It was either last sale or the sale before I got it in the body wash, and just sometimes it's too much. Like sometimes it's okay, and then sometimes it's just too much. It just depends. I don't know. This depends on my mood at the time, I guess. But yeah. Anyway, at the beach, I got the Sand and Sea Salt Body Scrub with coconut oil, 75% off. So I had to take advantage of getting that because you can't have too many scrubs. You just can't. And then I got 2, was it 2? No, 3 of the Super Rich Moisturizing Body Creams. I love the Super Rich Moisturizing Body Washes. I love them. I love them. I love them. Love them. So this is Pretty as a Peach. And for 75% off, you can't beat that. So this is Pretty as a Peach. I got 2 of the 1,000 Wishes. I'm actually using the 1,000 Wishes right now in the shower. Love these. And they're 10 fluid ounces, so you can't go wrong with that. So that's it, guys. That's everything I got from this haul from the SAS. Will there be another haul? I told you guys, yes, there's going to be an online haul. When I went to TJ Maxx, I did pick up one more thing, and that'll be in another video. But another haul, unless I find some 75% off candles, 75% off wallflowers, or 75% off soaps, there will not be. This is it. This is all. So unless those things pop up and appear, I'm done. I love the sale. I did pretty good. I only spent about $300. I know you guys like, oh my god, there is so many hauls. But when you use coupons, and you make sure you're saving and you're splitting your transactions, you don't spend as much. And then if you're ordering online, you're going through Ebates, you're getting cash money. Because both my online orders, I went through Ebates, because I don't just shop online and don't get cash back. So I always leave that information for Ebates below so you can check them out. I think I did good, and I'm about to make another video after this video, but it probably is not going to go up to the end of the SAS. And basically we're going to have a talk of what's to come with my collection and so forth once the SAS is over. So I'm about to record that video, so be looking out for that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.